Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 drivers experience accidents or incidents while parked? What if there was a way to protect your vehicle 24/7, whether you're in the car or not? Today, we're taking a closer look at the THINKWARE ARC 700 4K dashcam, a comprehensive solution designed to keep your car safe, capture every moment on the road, and even protect it while parked. Welcome to Autovated. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know about the THINKWARE ARC 700, from its high-definition video capabilities to its advanced parking surveillance and safety features. Let's get into it. The THINKWARE ARC 700 boasts an impressive 4K UHD front camera with the high-performance Sony Starvis EMX415 sensor, ensuring crystal-clear video footage even in low-light conditions. The rear camera features a 2K QHD Galaxy-Core GC4653 sensor, adding an extra layer of visibility. This combination ensures you won't miss any detail, whether driving or parking. But what really sets the ARC 700 apart? It's equipped with parking surveillance mode, a feature that automatically activates when your car is parked, capturing video evidence triggered by any motion or impact. This means if anything happens to your car when you're not around, you'll have video footage to support your case. The smart parking modes, including motion impact detection, time-lapse, and energy saving, ensure your dashcam is always on, yet never draining too much power. Now, if you're a fan of real-time access, the ARC 700 lets you connect via the THINKWARE Dashcam Link app, available for both Android and iOS. You can view, download, and delete videos directly from your smartphone, making it super convenient to manage footage wherever you are. The safety features don't stop there. The ARC 700 has built-in GPS for speed and red light camera alerts. Plus, it embeds GPS data like speed, time, and location into your video recordings. This could come in handy if you ever need to prove your location or speed in the event of a dispute. One of the coolest aspects is its thermal protection. The ARC 700 actively monitors its internal temperature, triggering an automatic shutdown when things get too hot. Plus, the integrated supercapacitors ensure that recordings are securely saved even if there's a sudden power loss. This dashcam is ready to handle extreme temperatures, so you don't have to worry about reliability in hot or cold conditions. As for video storage, the ARC 700 supports loop recording, meaning it will continuously record footage, deleting older files as needed to free up space. Plus, THINKWARE's anti-file corruption technology ensures your footage remains intact, preventing data loss and file fragmentation. But is it all perfect? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: 4K front and 2K rear video, superb clarity for both front and rear views. Advanced parking protection, capture impacts or motions even when parked. App integration, real-time access to videos through your phone. Thermal protection, reliable in extreme temperatures. Anti-file corruption, protects data and prevents the need for frequent formatting. Cons: price, it's on the higher end compared to basic models. Installation, while not difficult, it can be a bit tricky for beginners. In terms of value for money, the THINKWARE ARC 700 does offer a lot of high-end features, particularly for those who want the best protection and quality. Its 4K front camera is a standout, and its parking surveillance and safety features are a major bonus, though its price point may be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. When compared to other options like the Blackview DR900X 2CH, which also offers 4K recording, the ARC 700 comes out ahead with its superior parking surveillance modes and thermal protection. However, Blackview has a slightly more refined app and cloud features. Is this review helping you? And do you want to always stay ahead in the world of car tech? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date with fresh reviews that'll help you make informed decisions. Build quality and longevity. The ARC 700 feels solid and well built, made from high-quality materials that can withstand tough conditions. While we don't have long-term data just yet, THINKWARE's reputation for reliability suggests this product will last. If you're concerned about longevity, rest assured that this brand has a solid track record for durability. Customer support. We didn't need to reach out to THINKWARE's customer service for this review, but based on industry feedback, the brand is known for providing responsive support. They also offer a comprehensive user manual and FAQ for easy troubleshooting. Who it's for. This dashcam is perfect for commuters, tech-savvy drivers, or anyone who values comprehensive vehicle protection. Its 4K front camera and advanced features make it especially suitable for those looking for top-tier video quality and parking protection. Conclusion: strong option. If you value crystal-clear video, parking surveillance, and a reliable dashcam that won't let you down, the THINKWARE ARC 700 is one of the best options out there. It's a great choice for tech-savvy drivers who want peace of mind, whether on the road or parked. Call to action. If this breakdown was helpful, a quick like and subscribe really helps us out. Thank you for watching. Want to dive into the product? You can find the link in the comments box. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them below. See you next time on Autovated, where your ride gets the upgrade it deserves.